Guys, let's see. Let's see what. All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning here. All right. Let's see what we got here. So yesterday I was asked a question. What is it that I look for in a trade? So what I look for in a trade is yesterday there was so many runs. We took 2 points, 3 points, 3.5, 2.5. I'm really not looking for a home run. I'm just looking to take a couple of points, man. If I can take a couple $100 on one trade, 300, 400 on a trade, I'm happy with that. And I only trade 2 contracts, 4 contracts at a time. I had someone tell me, well, why aren't you trading 10 contracts? And the thing is that's not my style. All right, guys, hold on real quick here. All right, as you can see here, I'm in here for a point. I'm in here with only 1 contract, so I want to test the market, see where it's going. Right, I'm just checking it out. Had $100 right there. I'm getting the feel for it. I just want to make sure that I'm on the right side of this trade. You know what I mean? That's the first thing that I want to do early in the morning. Find out what direction I'm in. So this looks like it's pushing up. So we're gonna take another contract here. And like I said, we're trying to take $100 out of this thing. So if we can get $100 out of this thing, we'll be good. 44, 43 in that area there. So I'm waiting for a little push here. Little push right here. Let's see if we can get a little push to the upside. the first trade is just kind of give you guys a heads up where the market is going, where we want to go, and then after that we trade. Like I said, we'll trade in the direction that the market is going. So anyway, guys, so thank you for being part of this trade this morning. Thank you for being part of this trade. If you have any questions, like I said, we're not really looking to make these grand slam, these big home runs. We're just looking to take these small trades and make some money out of them. We're not, like I said, we're not looking to go crazy on these trades. We're just looking to make something. If we can make a couple $100, we'll make a couple $100. If we can't make a couple $100, we'll get out of a trade and look for another opportunity. First thing that we identify how choppy the market is, what it looks like, what direction it's going. We like to trade up based on volume. We trade on support, resistance, retracements. I'm more of a candle reader, so just to let you know, I'm more of a candle reader. So I look at the direction the market is going. There's 250. Here's a trade, look, 250. And we're going to be getting out of here shortly. Let's see. We got 6. I'm going to sell 5 here. I'm going to sell 5. That's 5. I'm going to sell 5 more here. As soon as it gets in that area, as soon as it gets in this area here, I'm going to sell 5. 5. There's 1,000. There's 1,000. Once it gets in this area here, I'll sell 5 more here. Here we go. I'm going to sell 5 right here. That's a push to the upside. That's a push here, upside. That right there will push to the upside. Look, that right there will push. This one here will push right in here. Right in here. Come on, baby, push. Push. We want you to push here. So we're going to take that. Now we're 375. And normally I let this 375 run. I'm going to let this run here. So I'm just going to stay with it. I'm not going to get out of it. I'm going to leave it where it's at. I believe it's going to go further up. I believe it's going to come in here. I believe my target will be here. This will be my target. That's my target right in here. So I'm just going to let it ride. I'm going to let it ride here. Oh, man, let me see. Let's see, where are we at? I thought I was in this class here. Let's see. Man, I don't have my web. Hey, good morning, guys.
Morning, Sonny.
Man, I completely forgot to put the audio on it. Sorry, guys. I'm giving class over here, and then I realized, wait a minute, the audio is not on the Zoom classes. So sorry about that. Okay, so you guys take these trades here, these little trades? Anybody?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Took one.
Yeah, to the upside or to the downside?
One to the downside.
Down. Okay.
And then I'm in this one right now.
Yeah, I'm on this one too. So I think I took out, let me see what I got on this trade here. On this one here, 1275 on those 2 little trades. So I'm staying long. I'm not going to get out of this puppy. I truly believe it's going to bounce on 98. It looks like 98. So that's my target there. Then from 98, man, I see, let's see. From 98, I see a bounce here. I see a bounce. I'm trying to be careful here because I got resistance at 96, but I do see a bounce here. So I got to be careful here. I'm going to take this off to make some notes real quick. So I see a bounce at 96. So I'm going to move this up to 96. I'm going to move it up to 96. So we got a bounce on 96. So, all right. So 96 even. So we got to go through 96. Let me see if we got this right. So price will come up to 96 here. Let me see. Okay, so all right, I'm gonna make some notations here real quick. I know I make a lot of notations, but price will come up to 96.50, right? 96.50. Yeah, 96.50. It's gonna have to retrace 96 somewhere in this area right here. It's gonna have to retrace in here, right there, and then we should be off to the races here. I see some resistance here, right? I see this. I see this resistance here. But overall, our first target, I see that we can hit 98. I see it. Okay, let me see. So let me open this up a little bit just to see it here. All right, here we go. So I'm going to take off. We already hit this target, so I'm going to take that target off. I'm going to save this target here because we'll probably end up using it. This is our target here. All right, so I'm going to take some of these off here. Let me see what I got here. If I hit to remove them, it'll remove all of them, so I don't want to do that. So this is calling for, let me see, this is calling for 4403. It's calling for 4403 here, look. So let's make some notations here. Let's see what's going on here. So, so we're going to take out here. Wow. So here and here. So we got supports here at the bottom. Okay, so we got supports at the bottom. Then we got resistance at 96. 96 resistance. I'm just going to go a little bit above 96. So from 96. All right, so why is this not? All right, so why is, here we go, right here. Right here. Let's see what's going to happen here. All right, let's see. So, wow, we got an inverted here. Look, you got an inverted candle right here. You got an inverted candle. So let's see if it'll push up. Let's see if it'll come back in this way. So we need to close that. If we don't close it, if these don't close, then we know it's going to come back down. But price has to close here to continue to do. Can you guys hear me there?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. I just want to make sure you guys can hear me. All right. So look at the candles. I'm a little concerned about the candles, right? So hammer, 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 dragon, inverted, hammer, hammer, inverted, inverted. So, all right. So if this is a retracement to go long, you're looking for a hammer. Oh, there it is. There it is. So that means price has to break here. Price has to break in that area. So this is what has to happen here. So price comes up here, right, because of that hammer. Now you have an inverted. Now you have a hammer. So price should push up. Price should push up here. So let's see where we're at here. Okay, so we got to push here. Now price should, this should be our target for now, right here. Retrace 96. So it's 96. It's a must. That's our breaking point, 96. If not, it'll go back down to the pivot, right? It'll come back here. Look at that long-legged hammer right there. That's a long-legged hammer. So price should push up. There it is. There's price. Price pushing up right there. So this is where we need to go. Here, now you have a retracement. All right, so let's see where we're going. So we're struggling here at 96. 96 is a struggle, right? 96 is a struggle. So back in here, right there. Then price will push up again. So price should push up from here. Man, let's see where we're going with this. Let's see. So we got resistance. So this is going to go up in here to here would be your target. So, wow. Is that possible? Yes, it is possible. So your target would be, this is your first target, right? Your first target would be 96 right here. Look, right in here. It's going to go right through it, right? It's going to go right through that. Let's see. I'm going to get rid of some of my contracts here. So let me see. I'm going to sell 5. I sold 5. That's my target. I'm still going to hold on to it. So I'm waiting for price to go through, right? I'm waiting for price to go through here to match up here, right in here. Sorry, guys. There's coffee. All right, right in here. I don't care what it does here. I really don't care. So I'm waiting for price to push up, right? So price is going to push up to my next level. So let's see where the next level is going to be. Let's see. So the next level. So let's see. Next level would be, copy that. That would be, that's your target. This would be a copy of the target. Copy of the target there. Let me see what I got here. Let me see. So that would be my target right there. So right in here. So there's a retracement. Look what we got here. We're offset, right? So being that we're offset, let's make some copies. Absolutely not. So, man, if I were you, I would get a refund on that software, dude. Truly, 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 bro. I would get a refund on it. You know, not to bash your thing, man. It's just that, okay, man. Look. All we're looking for is just to make small trades, man. We're not trying to kill the market. We're not. How can I say it, man? We're just simple traders, dude. We're just trying. Look, there's your target right there. Look at your target. It's going to hit your target right here. It's going to go right through it. I mean, look, based on candles, right? Based on candles, price hits, bounces, engulfing, and it's pushing forward. No. We're not saying it's not. No. We're not saying it's not going to sell. We just know that at 96, there's a lot of resistance here at 96. That's all we're saying. No, at 96, right here at 96, right here. Yeah. Right here, look. Right here at 96, right here, look. Where it's going to pop right there. So it takes out that first target, right? Takes out that first target right there. It's going to go through the target. I'm looking for price to come up to 98. I'm looking for price to go through 98. Now I'm going to sell 5 here. So I got rid of 5. So this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking for, let me see, where is it at? That's your target right there, right? This is the target. This is the next target. So I'm looking for price to go to, check it out. So this is a playing field for me. So I got no distractions here, right? No distractions. So I do know that if it pops it, I'm off to this neighborhood here. I'm off to this neighborhood. And in this neighborhood, there's my target. So I would do this here, right? That's my neighborhood right here. Look, all this right there is my neighborhood. So that means that if I break through here, I got a nice, maybe to 40, maybe 99, 40 in that area. So that would be my target right there, right? So I know that if it pops, it's gone, so let's see, here we go. I got an inverted, right? I got an inverted, look. So it's struggling right there, look. But it's not giving up. It's not giving up. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, baby. Let's go, Forrest. Come on. I'm getting chopped up here at 97. Okay. Engulfing bar hammer. So price has to come up in here, right? We already know that it has to come up in here. We already know. So I've made a couple of trades. So yeah, let's see. All right, we're not bad. This is going up. Here we go. There's 625. Okay, here we go. 625. So we gotta pop this. And if it doesn't pop, then we're gonna have issues here. We already know that. Let me see. Let me change this here real quick. All right, here we go. So here we go. Are you guys in this trade here? This is a crazy one here.
Yes.
Okay, so we're looking.
Some-
Yeah, so we're trying to get here, but look at the sellers not letting it happen. Not letting this happen. Okay. So let's see what happens here. Ooh, they're taking their profits here. So we got a 93.25. Where's 93.25? 93.25, 93.25. Man, I missed this one here. Man. I definitely missed this bounce here at 93.25. Wow. Missed it. I should have got it right here at the bounce. Okay, so no big deal. So let's make some notes here real quick. Here we go. All right, so let's take all this off. Let's take all this off here. So now we know that, man, I just believe that 96 is where the problem's at. I'm not going to move this. This is where the problem's at. So to me, the breakout would be 96. So I'm going to make some notations here. Look. Breakout. Okay. So 96. Let me see. What do we got? 43.96. 43.96. So to me, the breakout here. Did I spell that wrong? Sure did. Let me see. Mm-hmm. Okay, so to me it's 96. Let me check support and resistance here real quick. Hold on, guys. Let's go back to support and resistance here. Let's see. Let me see. It's still spelled wrong. Look at this. Am I missing something here? Oh. Breakout. Okay. 96, 43.96, 43.96. So I truly believe that the breakout, because there's so much traffic to the downside. Okay. Yeah. To the downside, it's, let me see. I'll tell you right now. Let me see. The breakout to the downside is going to be 92, I think. 92.50. I would say 92 would be the breakout to revert, because it's actually 92.50, right? 92.50. Yes. So it's 92.50, which makes it double bottoms, right? So let's do this. Yeah, that makes sense. So let's do let's do 93. Let's do 90, 93, 92. I'm sorry. 43.92. Here it is right there. So this would be the breakout to the downside, which is right here. Oh, there's your breakout right there. There's your breakout. Boom, right there. Anybody in this puppy? Anybody in?
Yeah, I'm in it still.
You're still in?
Yeah.
Woo, here we go.
Yeah.
So that's your target right there, right? So our next target would be, 90. Man, look at that. Come on, don't sell off, bro. Come on, dude. Get up there, baby. Get up there. Come on. Be nice. I'm going to take half of this real quick. I'm going to take 500. Well, I was going to take 500. What happened there? Oh, come on, man. Oh, nice. Look what we got. Look what we just got here at support. Woohoo. Going up, baby. That's it. I'll tell you right now. I'll explain it right now why I knew it was going up. I'll tell you right now. So I'm going to take half of this. Half of this would be 500. There we go. All right. Let me just get out of this trade and I'll tell you what happened here. I'll walk you right through it. Yes. Okay, so watch this candle. Watch it the way it dries up. Dried up. Here it is. Look. Oop. Oh man. It's going to push a little further. It won't turn around unless you get a hammer, unless you get an engulfing bar. Unless you get a hammer or engulfing bar. If not, it won't turn around. Absolutely not. This will go back to 92.50. 92.50. Where's 92? I'm sorry. Oh, man. Okay, so, man. These guys are taking profits here big time. So let me see where I'm at here. This should push up here, right? So there's the engulfing bar. Here's the engulfing bar. Oh, here we go. Awesome. Come on, baby. Get up there. I'm going to get out of this trade here. I don't trust it. At 98, I see resistance at 98. So it has to close. I'm going to get out here. I'm going to get out. I didn't trust it there. So I get this leg here, then I get this leg here. So it's still pushing to the upside. It still wants to go up. I just didn't trust it. I saw these two legs here and I got out. I think I only got out with $62. So I just didn't trust it. I don't trust it. Okay. So on that trade, what I saw that kept me in there, what kept me in the trade was this here. This would be considered for me support and resistance, the breakout, right? So this breakout tells me that this is the area of support and resistance. Now at 92, let's see, 92. So you got support at 93 and 92. So 93, why do we have 90? Okay, I'm going to move this. 93. Oh, okay, the double bottoms. 93.25, 93.25, 93. So the price would come here. So this would be, okay, so, all right, guys, here we go. So 98. Okay, so from 98, we got a no trade zone here. Yeah, cool. Ain't no problem. At least we can see it. So it's going to be 98. 98. Let me see. Wow, why 98? No way, 98. Yeah, it is 98. Man, I'm going to go 97.50. 96 is major breakout. This is breakout area right here. I'm going to take a chance right here. I'm going to take a chance right here. I'm going to take a chance right here. This is a 50-50 trade for me. This is a 50-50 here. Here's my 50-50. Come on, baby. 187. And I should be getting out of this stupid trade. Why do you do this to yourself? Why? Why do you do this to yourself? Take the 187, Sonny. No, see, that's what I mean. Take it, Sonny. 187. Take it. Take it, Sonny. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. 187. Why can't I can't get out of this trade? I don't know why. What's going on here? I'm going to take it. Here we go. See? Whoo-wee. Come on, baby. Get up there. I see it. I see it to the upside. I see you to the. I've seen you before. I've seen you before. Why are you doing this? I've seen you before. I've seen this pattern. Come on, baby. I've seen you. I've seen you before. I've seen you. I've seen you before. No, I've seen this. Man, I've seen this pattern to the upside. How many times have I seen this pattern? It already broke my pattern because it broke. Look, it broke my hammer. Then it gave me an inverted engulfing bar, so it mixed the plan up. But I had the 312. I didn't pull the 312 here. I had seen this pattern because I've seen this pattern to the upside. Too many times I've seen it. Now it broke resistance, right? It broke resistance. So the only way to take this long would be at 94.50 if it would retrace. So I got to reverse here. So I'm going to reverse here. Man, I hate chasing, but I got to take it. I'm down. I think it was 187. So let's see if I can get 187 here now. Man, I hate chasing, especially at this, especially wherever the supporting resistance is at. I hate it. I hate it. Look. I'm taking a chance here. I'm taking a chance. Wow. See what I mean? See what I mean? Oh, man.
Oh. I just do. Shoot.
Yeah, look. So it bounces, hammer. I'm looking for price to go down. Come on, baby. Get in here. Get down here. Come on. Get down here. Come on. I'm looking for price to get down. This is a push to the upside, but I'm banking that it'll come back down to 92. Come on, baby. Come on. This is the breakout to the downside. This is the breakdown. This is a breakout to the downside. So that's why I'm banking on it. Oh, thank you. Here we go. Come on, baby. Get down there. I know you got some resistance at 91. I know. Here we go. We got a little bit of making up to do right here. Oh, come on. Okay. All right. Okay. So you're going to chop me here at 91? Golly, I see this going to 87. 87. There we go. Come on. There you go. Come on, baby. Drop. Come on, baby. Drop. There you go. Yes. Drop, baby. Drop. Let's see. I am going to take a little bit here. Oh, gee. Take what? What just happened here, man? What just happened? All right, so no. I have resistance at 91. How did that? Okay, these guys are taking profits here. This should have sold. So now look, you had a retracement, you got an engulfing bar, you got a retracement. Oh man. I hate chasing here. This doesn't make sense. This pattern doesn't make sense to me, but it's pushing. Yep. And look, engulfing hammer. You already know where it's going, right? Oh man. Oh. I hate chasing. hate it. I hate it. I hate chasing. I hate chasing the market. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Okay, I'm not chasing you, bro. You're either going to give me an inverted. You're either going to give me an inverted or you're going to push to 92 or I'm going to get out. Push to 92 or I'm going to get out. Okay. All right. Where are you going? Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Let me see. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Next level to 96. It wants to go to 96. I got to get out of this thing, man. All right. I'm going to get out of here. Let me see. Should I get out? Yep. I got to get out. Why can't I see it? It's to the upside. I just can't see it. What's going on here? I know you're trying to go up, but why can't I get out? What's going on here? Something's going on here that I can't get out of this trade. I just don't see these candles right. There it is right there. Man. I had to reverse out of there. To reverse out of that one there. Okay, I got to get out of this thing. I got to get out of this. Oh man, we got major resistance at 99. So it did hit the target after retrace. Wow, crazy. Gotta leave it like that. I can't get out of this thing. I can't get out. I know I got resistance at 99.50. So I'm gonna stay with it. You already got me here. You already got me committed. Come on. You already popped. So let's go. You got me committed. I'm sitting with you. I'm going to go with you. How far are we going? All right. I'm going to ride with you. 10 points. 7. We're going to 7. Okay. I'm just going to ride with you. I'm going to ride here with you. I already made my money, so I'm just going to ride it to 7. You say 11. I say 7. I'm going to go to 7. I'm going to leave it right here. I'm not going to mess with it. I'm going to let this one run. May have a retracement, but I'm just going to let it. I'm going to leave it there. It may have a retracement, but I see a bounce here at right here. I see a bounce. Touch and go straight up. Touch and go straight up. So it took you. It gave you that target there. Gave you this target. That was that target there. I ain't going nowhere. I ain't going nowhere, big boy. You're going to have to take me out. I can afford to lose 500, so I'm riding it out. Go ahead. You're talking about the reversal? Oh, man. I should have reversed somewhere at 93.50, but I held on to 96.75. Yeah. No, I recovered it, but I just don't like playing. I don't like chasing. I don't like trying to make up. I don't like that. So I can afford for price to come back to 97. What a man, I got no crystal ball, bro. Well, uh-uh. No crystal ball here. I mean, if I did history, okay, if I did history, this is what I see. I would see, let's see, oh 03, right? Okay, let me do this. Let me do this. You're asking me, okay, I know what you're asking me. Your name Darren? Darren? Okay. You're also an experienced trader, I can tell, so we're going to shoot you straight here. Next level, right? Even though there's trash here, next level. Even there's trash there. Even though you see a lot of trash there, next level. Right in there. It may go further, but that's where it's at. So that was one of your targets, right? So this is another target. Oh man, a lot has to happen, bro. You're asking a lot has to happen. These are all your targets. All these are targets based on here. Now you're going to struggle right here at 03. I can promise you that. So as long as you don't double top here, you'll blow 03. You cannot double top right here. You double top right here, it's going to go back down to 44, back into the pivot. So just keep an eye on it. I'm still holding it. Sounds crazy, but I can. Ooh, okay. I'm just going to get that out of the way. Sounds crazy, but I'm okay losing 500 because I already made 1800 on that other trade. So I mean, so here it is right here. Look, holding on to it. Look. Oh man, I mean, you're talking about going back to 92. Yeah. You're right. 92 is a reversal. Yep. I got it right here. Right here. 92. But it has to retrace that price. If not, I mean, it's not going to do any good, right? It'll dip in there and then it bounces because it recognizes it more of a support and then it uses as a resistance. It'll bounce up. I mean, if you wanted to, you can sell right here. It's aggressive. If you want to sell, you can sell right here. 99 will take you to 97, but the overall would be to the upside. I mean, oh man. I mean, I think more of our style of trading is scalping, right? We're just looking to take small points. Um, as you can see, there's no volume, there's no movement. Um, it's slow, and that's because we're using a 277 tick. So imagine using a 1 minute. That every candle that you see is a 1 minute, man, it would drive you crazy. Here you get 4 candles for every minute. That's why I like the tick. You can sell it. If you're comfortable here, sell it right here if you're comfortable. I'm holding it. I'm just letting you know that I can take it back to the pivot. I don't mind. I'm holding it. That's all I'm doing. I'm looking to take out O2 here. Yeah, like I said, man, everybody's different. Everybody has their style. Everybody's different. Man, I think I use maybe three techniques that I like. More is the candle. If I were going to if I was just going to scalp this thing, if I would just, let's just say that I'm going to just scalp it, right? I'm going to just take a point. Here we go. There it is right there. Okay. I'm going to take, man, I got to get out here, man. It's still going to push up, but I can't get out of this trade, man. I can't get out of it because I see it going to 07. When I see something, when I see it and I feel it, and I have that I don't know if I can use a word like discernment or something. Man, it's hard for me to get out because I like literally see it up there and I'm like, discernment? No, just like a hunch or like, you know, educated or, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like you know where it's going. You've seen the pattern. It's almost like foresight. You can see it already go. Like I can see it like run real hard. Yeah, like that right there. How did I know that? It's just, man, I just read the candle. So now I see it just going straight up real hard. Straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up. So I'm up 14. Man, I'm going to get out of this trade. I shouldn't. I should wait till 5, but I'm just going to get out. I'm going to take $1,400 right there. I would hold it to 5, bro. I would wait to here. Here it is. See how it's taking off. I would wait. I would wait until you get to 5 in here. I personally, bro, I see it hitting 5, struggling a little bit at 5, but bouncing from 5 to 7. So, man, if you can hold it to 5 here, right? Man, it just depends on you. It just depends on your pocket. See, I waited all this year, bro. And I didn't mind it coming down to 97, 96 because I already had 500 in the hole. I was already 500, right? No, I was up 18 I took 18. Look what's happening here. This is going up. Look at the legs. Look at the legs. Look at the legs. Look at the legs. How is it possible? How is it possible for what? To see that? Man, I look at these candles. The market's going to do what it wants, right? But I see it wanting to hit 5. It'll struggle, it'll bounce and stuff. But overall, it's going to try to take out 5. You got 5, you got 7, you got 7.25, you got 9, 9 and a buck, and then you got. It's calling for 11.50. I just put it at 10.50. So even though you see this, even though you see it, it's not over. You know what I mean? Oh man, I don't know about that. So you're talking about on the limits? Oh, okay. So you hedge on the limit? Is that what you're saying? Oh, I don't know about that. I've never heard of that strategy. Okay. So you would hedge at 99? Man, okay, okay, okay. Uh-huh. Man, I don't, I personally don't think I could wait. Yeah. If I, because no, you're talking about swing trading, right? Is that what you're talking about? Okay. Yeah, man, I'm not a swing trader, bro. I'm not a swing trader. Like all this here, that's them taking profits. Look at these candles. You got weakness, weakness, engulfing bar, hammer, 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 and then you get a reversal, and then you get dragon, and then you get a push to the upside, then you get a long legged. So that's indication to me that this uptrend is not over. That's what it's telling me. That it's not over. I mean, it would have to come in, bounce, take you to 96, not 99, 96 to reverse it. So that's why I'm like, I'm not going to get in it. Yeah, I see the two. Yeah, right here. I see the two leggeds telling me it wants to push down. But if that closes solid, the next candle is going to take out the red bar. This red here, it'll take it out. Watch, look. See what I mean? Well, man, I'm just telling you. I don't use that. I don't use bots. I'm just telling you what I see, how I see it. If the price is going to take out the previous legs on a inverted, it's going to take off. That's why I'm telling you it's not over. Definitely this uptrend is not over. It's not. It's going to go to 5. That's the intentions to go. Now the next level of resistance is 4404. So you already know, right? 4404. You already know what has to happen. Price has to go through, retrace it, and go up. If selling, I mean, I don't know, man. It's just, I can't sell. I just can't sell. I wouldn't be looking for selling. The market is going to do what it wants. That's a given. The market will do what it wants. Hey guys, I'm going to close this class. I left this way too long here. Way too long. So I'm going to, okay, guys, you guys are on. All right, you guys that are on Facebook, LinkedIn, both of you guys, both classes that are on Zoom, both Zoom classes, you guys stay there. Okay. All right, I'm going to let you guys go. Jump in the other classes if you want to continue. I'm just going to close this one here. Hold it till 05. Okay. It has to retrace 03, right, to go to 05, right? It got to hit, retrace 03 or 02, 50, and then a push up. Jump in the other class. Okay, I'll see you. You can go to Facebook. All right, go to Facebook and type in. Okay, all right, so go to Facebook and then put in Silver Fox Trader, and that'll put you in the room. Okay, I'm going to close this feed here. All right, later, guys. All right, here we go.